Hi America, this is Keith, your friendly neighborhood technician, coming back with some good information. Got a question. People ask me, when should I replace my appliances? There's two schools of thought in them. One school is, ride it till it dies and then just replace it and go on from there, fix or replace it. The other school is, the older something gets, the less efficient it gets, the more money it's going to cost you to use it. Everybody's seen these energy efficient stickers on the appliances that they bought when they first got them. This basically tells you optimum usage, this is what it's going to save you every year, okay? This is the average. This is some are higher, some are lower, but somewhere in the middle this is where you're going to be. Now, if you've got an appliance, 3 to 4 years old, you probably don't want to replace them yet. But if you're talking to getting 5, 8, 9, 10-year-old appliances, they're actually probably costing you money. You can do preventative maintenance, that'll help it, but it's still not going to make it as efficient as the new products that are out there. Now, the other school of thought is, as my appliances get older, they start to get less efficient, and I start to see things in them that I may want to upgrade. And upgrading is not necessarily a bad thing. There's a lot of new features, styles, options that you can get on fridges that will save you money because they are much more energy efficient now than they were 3, 4, 5, 10 years ago. But if you've got a family, and like I said, we've got some fridges over here that are much more energy efficient than the one you probably have in your house right now. If you've got a family with kids, and they're constantly doing this, okay, and we all know kids, this is what they do. What do I want? I don't know. I want something. I don't know what I want, okay? That's costing you money, okay? An older fridge takes longer to recover, which means it works longer, works harder, and it's costing you money, no longer saving you money. Now you get one of these newer fridges that are built to recover faster and better than the old fridges, so they don't use as much energy getting back cool, and they also save you money in the process. So I would recommend, if you're thinking about replacing your appliances, you probably should, because you can put it off, but it's not going to, you're saying you're basically going to be wasting money by not doing it when you should. Wrapping it all up, putting it in a ball, should you replace your appliances? Or should you repair your appliances? Don't know. But I probably recommend, if you just go ahead and, if you're not liking what you have or don't think it's working as efficient, or you flat out just want to save some money, replace your appliances with something new. But do your due diligence, look around, see what options are out there, see what manufacturer has what that you're going to like. Go online, find out what the options are, find out what the features are. And then, once you find out what you want, then you go after the manufacturer or the sales stores and find out who's going to give you the best deal for what you got. I'd recommend Appliance Factory Outlet because that's where I work and they take care of me and they do a very good job and they'll take care of you also. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel and we'll have more fun stuff coming up for you in the future. Have a nice day.